Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be telling you about how to declare and use channels. So let's dive straight into it. To declare a channel, do a var, the name of the channel, the chan keyword and the data type. So the name of the channel, the chan keyword and the data type. And the name of the channel can also be anything. So in this case I'm taking it as C, it can be anything you want, right? So what this essentially means is that I created a channel with signals that can take the form of integers, right? Now if I print this channel, then you're gonna see that it prints a nil. So why is that? Because note that var is used when we have to declare something, not initialize anything. So here we declared a channel which took its default value, which is nil. Now there is no use for a nil channel. That is why what we do is we make a channel. So make means essentially allocating some space in memory for it. Now if we do make instead of a declaration statement, let's see what happens. We ran this main3.go and it allocated some memory to the channel. So in our case, our channel has some memory allocated to it and it's ready to use. Now let's see how to use this channel in real life. Alright, so I'm going to send something on this channel and then I'm going to sniff something out of this channel. Right, so I told you about lambda functions in Go. So how you declare them is like this and then you call them. Right, now I want to call this function as a Go routine because I want to pass in some values into the channel asynchronously, right? So the sending procedure is going to be in a Go routine. So to send something along a channel, you simply do a channel name, arrow and anything that you want to send. Note that whatever you want to send over here should be of the same data type, that is the data type of the channel. So here I sent 1. Now to sniff something from a channel, I can simply do a value is equal to arrow C or the name of the channel. So in this case, the arrow is pointing towards the channel, which means that I'm passing value in the channel, and this means the arrow, I'm taking some value from the channel and the arrow is pointing opposite to the channel, right? Now I can simply do a funct.println of val. So let me see if my code is correct. Funct.println. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. So go run main3.go and we have this one, and this address got printed later because we are using Go routines in our case, and we printed this value before printing the actual value of C. Now note that we can keep on sending things along the channel. So if we replicate this piece of code over here and then we pass a 2 instead of 1 and then we yank this code. Now note that we already initialized a val, so we only need to use the equal operator. Now in this code what we are doing is, first we sent something into the channel along a Go routine, then we sniffed from that channel and then printed the value. Then we did the same thing all over again. We sent something along the channel and then we're sniffing something from the channel. So let's see what happens. So what I want to do additionally is I want to add a time.sleep just in case. So let's see what happens. Printed 1, printed 2. So how this works is that in our case, this is our sender Go routine and then this is our sniffer, right? So whenever I'm sending something across a channel in our analogy in this case is a unbuffered channel. An unbuffered channel means size is equal to 1. It means it can hold only one value. So what we did was that so let this be a value, right? So first our sender sent 1, then our sniffer sniffed 1, it said okay I received 1, print 1. Then since our queue or our channel cannot hold anything except for one value, so after the consumer or the sniffer sniffed the value, the sender sent another value which is 2, and then the sniffer sniffed it. So in reality, internally what happens is that when you run two go routines at the same time, the sender can send 1, but the sender cannot send 2 until the sniffer has sniffed this one, right? So it sniffed this one and then you have this 2, because the size of the buffer is 1, or in computer science we say it as 0, because we start all of our indexes from 0. So guys, this is the syntax of how channels work, and we did a go run all over again. Let me open the file real quick for you. Yeah, so this is the way that the syntax for channels is. In the next video I'm going to be talking about buffered channels, so stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.